Welcome back to my channel. My name's Anika and today I will show you how to make a red, white, and blue clay pot to put flowers in, just like this one that I made earlier. I'm going to show you how to make one with a smaller pot, but you can use a bigger one, just follow the same steps. So to make this, you will need a clay pot, primer, acrylic paint, and you will need the colors red, white, and blue, paintbrushes, bowls to hold the paint in, a star stencil, mine is homemade, a rubber band, and a clear spray sealer. The first step is to coat the entire pot with the primer. So I'm gonna flip the pot upside down so it'll be easier for me to paint. So now that I am done painting, I'm going to wait and let this sit for 30 minutes to dry. The primer is now dry, so now we're going to paint it red, white, and blue. So the top section is going to be blue, then the bottom section is going to be divided into two parts. This will be white and this will be red. So the first step is I'm going to take the rubber band and divide the lower section, and the rubber band's going to basically divide the lower section into two different parts, and so that it's like a border between the white and the red. If you don't want to use a rubber band, you can always use masking tape for a much cleaner look, but I feel that using a rubber band is probably the easiest method. So I'm gonna start painting now. So I'm starting off with blue, and that's just gonna be on the bottom. Now I'm gonna do the white. So I'm just gonna pour it in the bowl. And the white's the middle section. Now that the white's done, I'm going to do the red. I finished painting the red, and I'm going to let it sit and dry, and once it's done, I'm going to paint on the stars. It's dry, so now I'm going to take out the rubber band, and then we're going to paint on the stars. So now I'm going to take my homemade stencil, and I'm going to take some white paint and paint it on the blue. So I'm gonna place it horizontally because the paint won't drip. So yeah. And after you paint it, if there are some smudges, you can always just wait for it to dry and paint blue over those little imperfections. And it might not look perfect, but like I said before, once it dries, I'll just add a little blue on those little imperfections, and then it will look really nice. So I'm just gonna continue to do it all over. Now I'm gonna let this sit until it completely dries. The paint is dry, and now I'm gonna spray it with the clear spray sealer. Since the spray is extremely flammable, you should let an adult do this step for safety reasons. After spraying it, you need to let it dry for 1 hour. Here's the end result of the red, white, and blue clay pot. You can use this pot to put flowers in, pens, pencils, or even markers, like how I did it here. I also made other pots, bigger pots, and I put flowers in them, red, white, and blue to represent the flag. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I hope you try and make this at home. I made other videos showing other 4th of July decorations that I made, so please go check those out. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video. Anyways, see you guys next time. Bye!